Well, I just wanted to share this video with you. There are handicaps in the world, physical handicaps that people have, unfortunately. But however, we all have eyes and hands and feet and noses and ears. As a matter of fact, we have two eyes and two ears, and two is the number, as far as I'm concerned, of balance. And with your ears, it has to be in balance, or you will be off balance, even in your physical body. But however, we have nerve endings and we have senses, six senses, and so they say six. But anyway, so that we will have our own experience with the things around us, a first-hand experience, no pun intended. And however, but when we look at, measurements and how things are gauged as far as what is told to us that is reality, what is the gauge of that? What gauge do you use to say that something is reality? Or what gauge do you use to say that that's the limitation of a thing? Just because we're told that that is the limitation of it, is that actually the limitation of it? And just because we're told that something is a fact, is that really a fact? And how was that conclusion derived or arrived at to say that this is reality and this is in fact the truth, or what have you? What gauge is used? And they're telling us what this is and what that is, but we have to have our own experience with reality, you see. Take care.